Today we're going to show you how to make the drill device shade to be a no drilled one. You may need this power drill and this wrench, screwdrivers, and first we're gonna unfasten this screw. Use the screwdriver. If it's too tight, you can use the powered one. Okay, take it down, and then you're gonna take this part down. The drill device, if it's too tight, try to make like this. Okay, to make it lightly unfasten, but do not do anything with this part. Do not make like this, otherwise you will break it. This part is fake, so you can make it. Now take it out. This is the drill device. Now we have to change it to a no drill device. What you can do is to put it in and make sure the lower part can be plugged inside the roller, and squeeze it, and at the same time make sure your hand will put at this part and squeeze both sides to make it tight. Now it's quite tight. And another very important thing is you have to drill a new hole here, directly above the safety lock. No, there is a safety lock here. You have to drill a new hole here, and you have to use this screw. No, it cannot be very long. Otherwise, you will break this device. You know, when the screw is super long, you will break it. So make sure the screw is not very long. You need this kind of short one. And make a new mark and screw it in like this. Since I already made one, so it's easy for me. If it's too hard, you can use a power drill. Okay, now it's done. You have to tighten it. Now the installation is done. When you feel this part is quite tight, you can use this wrench to. I have to make it tight. You have to use this wrench to rightwards to fasten it, and leftwards to lose it. This way to make it tight, this way to lose it. That's it.